Hello friends, welcome to the channel. Here we will clarify the GST updates from the circular number 225 slash 2024. This circular addresses taxability and valuation of corporate guarantees. In this video, we will discuss the key provisions, share detailed examples and answers frequently asked questions to ensure you fully understand these changes. Let us start. Let us first understand the overview of Rule 28 subclass 2. The new sub-rule applies to the corporate guarantees issued or renewed on or after 26th October 2023. Please remember the date 26th October 2023. The valuation is either 1% of the guaranteed amount per annum or actual consideration, whichever is higher. Let us take an example. Suppose A guarantees rupees 5 crores for its related entity to a bank for 1 year. The valuation is 5 lakhs, that is 1% of 5 crores, unless the fee charge is higher. Now let us understand in detail if there is a co-guarantors. If two or more entities jointly provides a guarantee for 10 crores, for example, entity A guarantees 70% and entity B guarantees 30%, their GST liability is proportionate. For example, A's valuation of 1% of 10 lakhs is, then the 10 lakhs into 70% will be 7 lakhs. Entity B's valuation will be 30%, as B's corporate guarantee share is 30%. So 30% of 10 lakhs will be 3 lakhs. If there is a long-term guarantee, then for example, if the guarantee is for 5 years for an amount of rupees 10 crores, the GST valuation upfront would be 50 lakhs, that is 1% per year for 5 years, unless the consideration charge is higher. Renewal example: if the renewal annually, GST is charged on 10 lakhs each year, 1% annually. Loan takeovers: no GST is applicable when a loan is transferred unless a new guarantee is issued or existing one is renewed. Partially utilized loans. Partially utilized loan: if the loan is not fully utilized, GST is still calculated on the guarantee amount, not the loan disbursed. For example, if the 10 crores is guaranteed but only 5 crores is disbursed, GST is still applicable on 10 crores. Now let us understand by taking frequently asked questions. Do these rules apply to guarantees issued before 26 October 2023? No, the guarantees issued before this date follows the older rules for valuation. However, renewals after October 26 will fall under these rules. What happens if no fees is charged for the guarantees? In such case, the valuation default to 1% of the guaranteed amount. The third question is, Is the ITC available for partially disbursed loan? Yes, ITC can be claimed in full as long as GST on guarantees service has been paid and all other GST conditions are met. Are exports of guarantee services subject to GST? No. If the recipient is located outside India, GST does not apply to such cases. What about the guarantees provided by the foreign entities? For the guarantees from the foreign entities, the GST is paid by the Indian entities under the reverse charge mechanism. Please note down, we have to pay the GST under the reverse charge mechanism. Is the GST applicable for one-time guarantee fee? Yes, the guarantee fee is charged upfront for the multiple years. GST is calculated on the total fees. For example, if 20 lakhs is charged for 5 years, GST is payable on the 20 lakhs at one time of issuance. How do these rules impact the co-guarantors? Co-guarantors share the GST proportionately to their share of guarantees, which we explained in earlier examples. This ensures fair distribution of tax obligation. What the business has to keep in the mind and have a checklist for compliance is review all the guarantees issued or renewed after October 26, 2023 to ensure proper valuation. Maintain clear record of fees charged and invoice issued. Account for reverse charge liability on the guarantees provided by the foreign entities. Keep documentation ready for ITC claims, particularly in the case of partially utilized loans. Now let us conclude it in a simple manner. GST is applicable on the corporate guarantee at 1%. Hence, friends, whenever any corporate guarantee is given, charge GST at 1% and make the GST payment on that 1% of the valuation so that you avoid further litigations in the matter. Thank you very much and have a good day.